everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make the paper plane called the flying carpet. So first you get the top and fold it down just about almost to the end. Like not that far from the end. It can't be on the crooked side. So it looks like this. I'll fold that. This and then fold it in half. Then you unfold that. Get the corner and fold it to the right. Bottom of this line down here. Then you just get the bottom, or the top, or the bottom, and fold it to the line you see. Then you fold it again. Then you fold it like this. Fold the bottom to the top of the line you just folded. Like this. Then you just fold it again. Then you get the tip and fold it to here. Like about to there. On the other side too. And then get the end bit right here. And fold it. So take the page and go around there. There's a paper plane made.
Oi.